Welcome to LabEd. I wanted to walk you through a food input. So click food input. Takes you to the next screen, which is the food entry. So here you press start now. One thing you need to know is there's some selections to make here. So we're going to do a breakfast. It's going to be vegan. And the big thing you need to learn here is foods are placed in 4 different categories: excellent food, good food, fair food, poor food. So starting with excellent food, you need to kind of hunt and peck and look for your different foods that you had with the meal that we're doing. So ours is breakfast. So I had blueberries. There were some whole grains. I had some water. There was some clove and cinnamon, so I'm clicking that. And then I did have soy milk, so I need to go to good foods to look for that. And your unsweetened nut seed milks are here. Click that again to make sure it's on. All right, so it was breakfast. I'm not going to upload a photo of it. I don't need a description. Is this a recurring meal? If it's something you eat often, then you want to click that and add a name for it. As you can see up above here, select Save Meals. You would create one of those. It's a meal that you eat routinely. So I'm going to go ahead and create meal entry. There it is, 3.8. Thank you.